The NASCAR Sprint Cup All-Star Race takes place on Saturday, May 16th at Charlotte Motor Speedway and can be seen on Fox Sports 1. Jimmie Johnson has won this race 4 times and will be one of the favorites, along with Kevin Harvick, who leads this year's points race. The format for this race has 5 segments, with the first 4 being a total of 25 laps each, while the last segment will be a 10-lap shootout to see which driver takes the $1 million. There will be a total of 20 drivers in the field. 17 drivers are already eligible, and 2 more will race their way during the sprint showdown on Friday night, while another driver will be voted in by the fans. It is easy to make a case for Johnson winning this race, as he is coming off a win last week at Kansas, and he has won this race 4 times. Harvick is also an obvious choice, considering how well he has raced all season. In fact, Johnson and Kevin Harvick have won the last 7 races at 1.5-mile tracks. If you want to look beyond the favorites, then you might want to consider Martin Truex Jr. if he transfers over from the sprint showdown, as Truex Jr. is running well this year and he finished second in the race in 2010. Or Kyle Busch, who is making his return to NASCAR after being out due to injury. Busch has led 212 laps in the All-Star races, but never won. Saturday's race will feature 11 drivers who have won this race in the past. Johnson and Harvick are the standouts, but also running well this season are Dale Earnhardt Jr., Kurt Busch, and defending champion Jamie McMurray. Not to be forgotten is Jeff Gordon, who is likely running his final All-Star race. It would be fitting if Gordon won this race in his final season. There is no question that either Johnson or Harvick could be the winners of this race, but we'll look for value and go with Kasey Kahne or Jeff Gordon. Don't forget that the Bang the Book Betting Center is your best resource for sports information before you make your weekly assault on the sportsbooks.